from Tansa Cavite. Now, for today's video, I'll tell you about identification of the tools and equipments and their functions. Let's set up this. Boots, first, and then the goggles. First one is the anti-fog goggles, and ito is heavy industrial. And this industrial goggles, and this is working goggles. And this is the two kinds of three kinds of gloves. This is rubber gloves and chain mesh gloves and working gloves. And for anti-noise pollution, earplugs. And for safety under hair fall, hairnet, and then black shoes. And for proper PPEs, hard hat for safety and apron. Blood spills. And next, equipment, sharpening steel, sharpening stone, and scabbard for the knives, and it's belt for scabbard. And next is different kinds of hooks. S metal hook, and wooden hook, and then industrial rubber hook, extension hook for long extension, like using in ladders or to scalding. And then different kinds of scrapers. This is bell scraper for hairing. And then this is white scraper for sodas, and red scraper for meat, and blue naman for hair scraping. Ito na. Next natin yung different kinds of utility and traditional modern knives. This is a modern knife used for butchering, and this is traditional knife. And last, double-edged knife for sticking, and then our utility knives. Like this is used for cutting. Siguro yun. Basta ito lang for deboning, alam mo, for deboning, and basta utility knives. Sorry.